What's good, future millionaires? We back with another banger. I'm DecemberDeMarco, Fortune 500 marketer, and I'm here to share my insights of the market with y'all to hopefully help y'all become better informed investors, man. Salute to y'all again for pulling up on the channel. Make sure you hit that thumbs up like button for the YouTube algorithm to help the channel grow and to help more people become better informed investors. So we got some exciting news, a major update on the Shiba Inu burn, and as well as Volt Inu. I got some exciting updates on Volt. The time is now, man. The time is now. If y'all haven't checked this one out, we about to do it today. So first off, come join our private investment community here on Facebook, private stock market gang. Also follow me on Twitter at DecemberDeMarco. Now we got a update from Watcher News. Shiba Inu burn rate hits 5,967%, yet the price continues to suffer. What's going on? So a lot of people are wondering this, what's happening? We continuously see, different channels, different companies, helping with the goal of burning Shiba Inu. And stay tuned. Shout out to Matthew Perry reached out to me. We I'm checking out something, man. We might have some more information on how to burn more Shiba Inu. So shout out to bro for that. But a lot of people are wondering, like, what's going on right now? Why isn't the price going up? And y'all, I try to tell y'all every day. We have a lot of FUD going on in the market. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt right now. We got the Fed, Jerome Powell, supposed to speak tomorrow and give us an update on the interest rate. So a lot of people want to, before they become more confident and push more money back into more speculative assets like crypto, they want to, see what these rates are going to be. So that's one thing we're waiting on. We're also waiting to, see how this war plays out with Russia and Ukraine. That's another thing. The markets do not like uncertainty. Anytime there's something shaky going on, the markets are going to remain irrational for the time being. So at times like this, it's best sometimes to just sit on your hands or, do your due diligence and look for solid projects that are still performing, and doing, what they have to do, outside of, just what we see happening with the average crypto projects that, once they get started up, they kind of taper off and don't have anything exciting going on. So this is why I'm really bullish on Volt Inu, and we'll get into that in a second. So the goal of the Shiba Inu community and developers is to get the value of the digital asset closer to $1. Although the volatility in the market has been a deterrent to this plan, the burn mechanism is helping Shiba Inu with moving past every decimal. They got a little typo right there. Given the weekend action, SHIB's value was down by 1.3% in the past 24 hours and was being traded at 22.07. Despite the low price, the burn mechanism was active and noted a burn rate of 5,697% in the last 24 hours. So here's a little chart showing that right here from shibaswap.com. The burning of Shiba Inu token has been catching pace with every passing day. The SheBurn Twitter handles share that a massive sum of 327 million and about 327 million SHIB tokens was burned in a single transaction in 1 hour. So here's that tweet. In the past hour, there have been a total of 327 million SHIB tokens burned in one transaction. So visit the page to burn transaction info. So they got a little jumbled up right there. You got to remember, a lot of the people in the community, English isn't their first language, so keep that in mind. But this momentum of burning Shiba Inu supply has continued following the burn of over 327 million tokens. A total of 6 million SHIB was moved to the dead wallet for the burn. This was the reason for the burn rate also to escalate nearly 6,000%. So the previous week of Shiba Inu burn, on Saturday, the SheBurn account noted 104 million SHIB tokens being destroyed in the past 7 days over 58 transactions. In the last 7 days, there have been a total of 103.8 million SHIB tokens burned in 58 transactions. Following this announcement, 12.2 million more SHIB tokens were burnt in an attempt to push the price higher. Nevertheless, the market has not been in great shape and SHIB price has lost steam. The asset has been faltering under support levels at the 2360 and 2289 and was trying to reach this level at the time of press. The efforts towards burning SHIB tokens are intensifying. As per the moderator of SHIB's Discord, Queenie, the burning will be implemented through 3 portals going forward. Burning will be enabled through ShibaSwap 2.0, Shibarium, and Shiba Inu's new burn portal. Per the post, This leaves Shiba Inu's game as the only project that will not feature a burn mechanism. With the selling pressure in the overall cryptocurrency market remaining high, Shiba Inu could witness a drop to its January lows of the 2053 level, as the future of Shiba Inu remained uncertain with its current value at a total of 410. Enormous supply was burned from the initial supply. That total supply of the asset remained at 589 trillion shib, with the circulating supply at 549 trillion. So this is an update on the burn right now. We got more and more people becoming active and, trying to work towards that burn goal. Now, we have to just do the math. Even, on average, less than 1 billion tokens have been being burnt per day. So even if we hit that point where we're seeing 1 billion tokens burned per day, that still would only be 365 billion tokens burned in a year. So we have to drastically increase this burn. We need community members to step up, and try to think of ways to, increase this burn. Think of, how can we improve the ecosystem? What things can we add to the, just the overall ecosystem that can help us push to this goal? Because we can't leave everything on Satoshi, and expect, the things we want to see to happen. You got to remember, Ryoshi said, this is everybody's coin. We can all, provide value to the ecosystem. So that's what I'm looking forward to doing, coming up with some ideas with the community members. I'm talking with a few people now and figuring out how we can do this. But one way that I think, we can possibly see this happening with, or just a help to push the Shiba Inu ecosystem forward, is by Shiba Inu members learning about Volt Inu. Why? We're finna get into that in 1 second. So let's take a look at the overall crypto market real quick. We are up 2.2%. Right now we got Bitcoin up 2% on the day, back at $39,676. Trying to push that $40,000 level again. Hopefully we can break and hold that. Ethereum is at 2653, up 4.3% on the day. BNB, one of my favorites, at 373 for the day, up 1.8%. XRP 76 cent, up 0.5% for the day. Terra Luna is down 2.2%. This one is pay attention, y'all. You want to definitely pay attention to this one. So $89 today. Cardano 1.82. Also Cardano as well. Pay attention. 26 decentralized exchanges being built on this Cardano chain right now. So connect the dots, y'all. Solana $84, up 5%. Avalanche $71 right now, up 7% on the day, still down 4.3% for the week. Doge at 11 cents. Shiba Inu up 0.72% at that 21.8 level right now. Let's take a closer look. Things have been going slow. We're seeing this period of, just right now kind of trading sideways for the last few days, but we found a support. That's what's important. It's important to see that throughout all this FUD that's going on, everything that, my bad, I wasn't even showing y'all the chart right there, but throughout everything that's going on, we're seeing Shiba Inu, remain, strong at this level. So, as we get more good news, and things, coming in, the price will begin to take off. Now, I told y'all, I'm getting ready to pull the trigger to add potentially another $5,000 to $10,000 into Shiba Inu once we kind of bottom out, because I know it's going to take off, and I'm doing it with a separate wallet to be able to actually trade and take some profits from. So now I want y'all to check out this Volt Inu chart right now. Volt Inu is absolutely performing. It is right now being, the standard of what I like to see in crypto. The team is not playing around. They're remaining active, constantly becoming engaged with new partnerships and new events and things like that. And look at this chart. This is absolutely healthy. From this point we've seen right here, from this breakout to the all-time high, we're seeing a retracement of that 61.8% level, which is that golden ratio. And we've seen smart money, smart buyers step in and buy right at that point. So that's a good sign. I like to look at the chart and, from a technical standpoint, see that other smart investors are looking at the chart as well, and they're knowing when to enter. So from me seeing that smart money steps in at these points, this lets me know that this project is still very healthy. The chart still shows that it wants to, it's still holding this trend line here. It's showing that it still wants to continue to push up. So I'm still very bullish on Volt. You get a chance to basically rewind the clock back and get a discount back to, this level, back to February 7th levels, basically. So if you've seen what this project has been doing, you've been hearing about it, this is an opportunity to get in. I've been telling as many people as I can, Vote Inu, pay attention. This is not a game. This is not a drill. Come tap in. Let's take a look at some of the things that the team is doing right now. So just in, thank you to our sponsor, Vote Inu. We're rocking Vote Inu stickers and our PCF Farmers Market banners. Everyone keeps asking, what's Vote Inu? So Vote Inu is now the official sponsor of Volker's Bakery out of Utah, I believe. Yeah, that's Utah, Salt Lake City. So here's the post on that. Also, here's a glimpse of the game. Now, what I like most about this is that the Volt team decided to allow other crypto projects to be able to participate and play the game to earn buybacks of their own projects. Now, I think this can somehow incorporate into the Shiba Inu ecosystem and be a benefit by, holders in the Shib army playing this game and winning buybacks for the Shiba Inu token. So that could be something that, we still got to, work out some details and see, how it can really work out. But that's definitely something there. So our game will be aimed at every project, meme coins, altcoins, and NFTs. So players will be able to race on behalf of their project. So for instance, Shiba Inu, the winning projects will earn a buyback and burn. So this will help increase the Shiba Inu burn rate. And I think this team, is doing an excellent job at bringing new projects in, with this idea just as a token itself, because that's gonna, migrate new investors from other projects once they play the game to try to win, tokens or to win the buyback and burn for their project. That's going to, inform them about the Volt ecosystem. And, most likely once they see what the team is doing, they'll become Vote Inu investors as well. So that's a good sign. So the winning projects will earn a buyback and burn, potentially exposing Volt to every existing crypto community. This is serious, y'all. This is one of my favorite things about this project here. So also, imagine how exciting the competition will be when our game goes live in a few days and any project can win a buyback and burn. Vote Inu, Vote Army. So those are some of the hashtags if y'all want to search and see what the community is talking about. This is a good way to, understand if the project is for you. I try to always tell y'all, you want to look for projects with solid communities. Vote Inu has one of the most solid communities right now. So it already had a 6th central exchange listing, DigiFinex, also the 7th one, Mexi Global. They're not playing right now. So shout out to y'all reaching out to the channel. I'll tap in with y'all as soon as this video is over with. But they reached 26,000 holders, and I just did the math, tallied it up, and it's looking like it's closer to around 28,000 holders right now. So this is growing very, very fast. I want y'all to, it's still early, but it's growing very fast. Before it hits 50,000 holders, you want to come check it out. So also, the Vault just acquired 4.8 mirrored Tesla shares, and they're tweeting at Elon Musk. So imagine if Elon Musk picks up on this and ends up shouting it out, Vault is gone. It's absolutely gone if that happens. And the fact that it's in electricity themed or whatever, it can possibly have some partnership with Tesla one day. That's something that we got to pay attention to. So and the team is making moves like that. It's still very early, but I think Volt will be one of the, we want to say meme coins. I think it will be one of the most known meme coins in 2022. Volt keeps getting mentioned alongside the top meme coins, probably nothing. So this is the reason why I'm saying that. Here's an article from entrepreneur.com, y'all. Serious news platforms or media outlets, are mentioning Volt Inu alongside Shiba Inu, Dogecoin, and these other top coins. So that's something to pay attention to as well. Also, so proud to announce that Volt will be a top sponsor of the ATX Asian Food Fest in Austin, Texas, with over 5,000 people attending this event. This is another event that will allow Volt to reach a lot of people in real life. So this is something that's, that's making me very bullish on the project as well. Their IRL presence, they're really getting in front of investors or new potential investors, and getting people asking questions. Now I'm thinking about doing something here, and I'm working on something here in Las Vegas, in real life event, where not really an event, but just like a social experiment, going around the Las Vegas Strip, the Fremont area, and doing in-person interviews, basically asking people about different crypto related questions about the metaverse, asking them which tokens do they know about, or which crypto projects are they familiar with, and just kind of getting an overall sense of the sentiment on the street, and informing and educating people about crypto projects. And I'm looking at starting this off with Volt Inu. So this is something that's exciting that I'm just releasing to y'all as well. So hopefully we got some more news coming on that pretty soon. So stay tapped in for that. So also, here's another partnership there was. So Volt will not only take the Park City Farmers Market by storm, but also every kitchen in Utah. Thanks to our sponsorship with Volker's Bakery, over 100,000 paper bread bags will be flocked with the Volt logo over 1 year. That is ridiculous, y'all. Over 100,000 bread bags will have the Volt Inu logo on it. So throughout this next year. So that's something that I really like to see, ongoing marketing plan. This is like strategy right here. This is not just some little idea like, okay, let's do this and it fizzles out in 2 weeks. This is something that will continue to produce residual results throughout this year. So excited to hear about that. Also, so proud to announce the Volt Inu will be the official sponsor of the 2022 Park City Farmers Market, the people's coin, as close to the people as possible. So just seeing, that they sponsor a lot of different events, they partner with a lot of people. And another thing that I like as well, that, they're there for the community. They actually listen to the community. They actually help the community and give back. They've been paying the community's electric utility bills, for all month. They did a 30-day, basically donation to its holders, of people who submitted their light bills. You had the chance to get that paid up to like $300. That was crazy. So shout out to the team for that. Live to the vote, or live to the vote, and vote to the live, or live. So the wait will be worth the voltage. Also, lots of other YouTubers talking about it. This is a good sign. You want to see that, they have influencers actually, mentioning and excited about the project. Volt Inu partnered with Ian, I'm not sure how to pronounce that, Heinisch. So UFC champ with over 8,000, just about 8,000 followers, shouting out the Volt Army. Volt Inu, poking at Elon Musk, hoping to get that retweet, hoping to get some attention from Elon. Once that happens, it's a wrap with the Volt Inu logos in the shades. I can see Elon, paying attention to Volt Inu. Also, retweeted from Vegeta Crypto. Release play to earn game footage. That game will be released by the 21st at the latest. Acquired a few mirrored Tesla shares. You can now track everything, including your reflections, on their new dashboard. So you can check that out. Let's take a look at that. Shout out to y'all reaching out to the channel. I definitely will tap in with y'all. So here's a look at that dashboard. You can come to voltinu.in to come get more familiar with it. The Volt Army can bend, but always vote higher. Volt, vaulting, voted. Vote hard or go home. Volt Inu, vote, Volt Army. So pullback equals holders count equals voltage. Probably nothing. Y'all, I'm telling y'all, this is about to take off. So we can see just February 14th, just about a month ago, it was at 16,000 holders. So over 10,000 holders in about a month, y'all. That's not to be taken lightly at all. So also, retweet that. Crypto is probably where the market sentiment can change the fastest. Most definitely. Sounds voltage, doesn't it? So influencers on TikTok also talking about Volt Inu as well. The more you push the Volt army down, the more united and unstoppable we are. It would be wise, this is not financial advice, but it would be wise to buy on this dip versus waiting until you see new all-time highs and then FOMOing in later on. So also retweets or a tweet from Simon Hayes, which is followed by some official projects. Volt official on pancakeswap and hotbit news. Volt Inu, a meme coin that is pushing to be the next Doge and Shib on multiple decentralized exchanges and central exchanges. Plus, soon DigiFinex and Mexi Global. So, you know, all this news has been released. That's why it's been absolutely taken off. And they have, imagine, the new catalysts that are coming for 2022 with Volt. It's going to be crazy, y'all. More YouTubers talking about Volt. Here's our 30th and last winner. Congratulations. Please DM us your ETH address to get your bill paid. It's been such a huge pleasure to support our community members that we're already looking forward to the next contest tomorrow. They're not playing, y'all. Already starting a new contest. So here's the winner saying, I love this community. I see this on my friend and now I'm investing in it. And this giveaway is a huge help to get my bill paid. So that's pretty dope right there. Congratulations to the winner. Volt Inu AMA tonight. Come join my YouTube channel from Pablo. Historically, we have never vaulted more than when the days we were red. Probably nothing. Y'all gotta connect the dots, man. So patience usually pays off in a voltage market. It's crazy how well Volt Inu is. This is now from Alba Crypto. It's crazy how well Volt Inu official is doing, and we're not even in altcoin season yet. Just think about when we are. Can't wait for this epic squeeze incoming. Volt Inu, Volt Army, 100x Gem, ERC20, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Binance. So yeah, think about that. You know, also not in the altcoin season, and it's still performing very, very well. If you've been in since I first called Volt Inu, you're sitting very nicely. So congratulations to y'all. Now, if you haven't yet, this is an opportunity to buy in at a good point. I just showed y'all the chart. It's at that, it tapped off that perfect pullback level, right off the 61.8% level. Now, you know, if you don't understand technical analysis, you in the new to buy right here, but I'm letting y'all know that it's still a good area to buy right now. So let's keep going. Shout out to Jay Gagan. He said, shout out to the Volt Army on surpassing 26,000 holders today. So you see a lot of, people that, keep their ear to the crypto streets, know what's going on with Volt Inu. Volt Inu is ready to 10x after this update. I definitely 100% believe that Volt Inu is about to 10x. 100%. Now, that's not financial advice. I'm not saying go, sell the house and bet the house on it or nothing like that. But with the money that you can afford to risk, being wisely, if you do your due diligence in the project, come see the community, make sure that the project is for you. I definitely think it'll be a wise thing to do. So the closer we get to the end of the month, the more voltage it is, isn't it? Let's do another buyback and release the new exchange this week. It's getting closer to the end of the month. So this is one thing that I like to see, Volt Inu listens to the community and really, tries to, do the things that the community wants to see. So that's what I really, really enjoy about this project. Usually everyone wants to be in crypto when the FOMO is at its peak. With the Volt Army, you have a reason to stay in crypto even during the bearish days because we can help each other, because we build, and most importantly, because we vote. 100% agree with that. So also beware, do not trade nor approve nor transfer these ape tokens, as they might eventually empty your wallet. So let's take a closer look at this. So as some of you may have noticed, a scammer has managed to airdrop dust tokens to a ton of different addresses and make it look like they were sent by the Inu deployer address. These tokens, called ape, were sent to hundreds of different addresses, and it seems a lot of them are Volt holders. Please do not trade nor approve nor transfer these ape tokens, as this might eventually empty your wallet. As long as you don't do anything with these tokens, your wallet is safe. So please be aware, spread the word on that. If you see any ape tokens, looking like, appearing that it was sent from the Volt deployer, do not fall for it. So voting in a bear market, voting every day, probably nothing. Y'all gotta pay attention, y'all. A new week to vote. Happy Monday, Vote Army. So our supercharged music video is live. Vote to the moon. So what projects do you know having, getting music videos right now? I would play it, but I don't want to get copyrighted. Voltic. So we got UFC fighters representing, wearing the Vote Inu shirt. It's pretty dope. A bearish market is voltage. Prove us wrong. New anime contest. Total prize pool 2,000 in ETH. First place 1,000. Second place 600. Third place 400. Rules: draw an anime Volt logo. Post your entries under this thread and mention Volt, and Vote Inu. Tag 3 people. So this is pretty dope. Let's take a look at some of that art. So here's the first place winner right here. Vote Inu. Fill your bags. Second place. What I like the most about Volt is Voltoshi's hard work and dedication to the project. He does it for the Volt Army, and I think that is very cool. LFG. Vote Inu, and Volt Army. So here's third place. Volt is power. Here's my entry for the anime contest. So this is why it's important. You could have entered this contest and quickly just won some ETH just by being an engaged community member. And that's what you want to see from a crypto project. They're providing incentives to their community to, become more engaged. Here's the 29th winner that got their electricity bill. Shout out to MJ Rantero. I think that's how you pronounce that. My bad if it's not. So nice project, and congratulations to the team for their efforts and dedication, and highly appreciated the visionary thought of the projector. The bill here is skyrocketing. Not been able to manage it. Please help me clear my bill. It's a burden to me. So another thing I like about this is, we get to actually see, and get a sense of our community, and actually see who's, who's it actually helping. So that's a good sign right there. So also shout out to all the Vote Inu content creators, the ones that are, tapped in. The biggest shout out, of course, goes to the Volt Army. Without you, none of this would be possible. Keep voting. So shout out to, we see a couple familiar faces on here. Shout out to them. Also retweets or posts from Crypto Santa. Vote Inu has been killing it. Played an earned game, launching within a week. 2 more central exchange listing, and Mexi and Digifinex acquired mirrored Tesla shares, crossed 25K plus holders, launched native dashboard. The project just keeps building, and that's what you want to see. So we are voting the game. Tons of videos on YouTube about the project. That means the awareness is growing. Shout out to Usain Bolt. Said the Volt Army is voting as fast as you're bolting. At Usain Bolt, probably nothing. Remember, a lot of times y'all got to connect the dots, y'all, and pay attention to where the project is also going, not just where it is now. So this Dave Crypto says, I own Volt because there aren't many meme coins with an actual use case. Some new updates, dashboard release, play to earn game release, 2 new central exchange listings coming, Mexi and Digifinex, 25K holders mentioned with Shib and Doge. Probably nothing. Connect the dots, y'all. Everybody's talking about it right now. So that's what I just wanted to get y'all updated on Vote Inu. If you haven't, got involved yet, come check it out, man. Definitely come do your due diligence on this project. Come follow them at Vote Inu. Make sure you join the Telegram. I will have all this information in the description section of this video. But that's all we got for this video, man. Appreciate y'all for pulling up, and we are out.